Hello guys, welcome to City Money. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can resolve your Paws not eligible problem. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you find a way to resolve it. And by the end of this video I'll be talking about my price prediction for Paws, since we've now gotten the total supply of Paws to be 100 billion and the circulating supply to be 50 billion. So guys, in this video I'll be talking about how, mainly focus on how you can resolve your Paws not eligible issue. So if you are one of those that was not eligible, then this video is for you. You have to keep watching and follow the steps, guys. So if you want to check your account, for those of you that always message me that you Paws are no longer in Telegram, you can't see your Paws, just go to the browser. This Chrome browser here, just type in paws.community. Paws.community, you can see it here, guys. You can see paws.community/app. Just tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will load up the app. Then it will ask you to verify. Just click on it and connect your wallet. Once you connect your Tone wallet that you used to sign up, guys, it's going to bring you to this interface. And for you to see your allocation, just click on this hamburger sign here, these three dots here at the top left corner. Once you tap on it, then click on claim. Once you click on claim, you will see this check eligibility. I will show you the reason why you are not eligible. So once you come here, just click on next. Then you'll be able to see your total allocation. As you can see on my screen, this is my total allocation, 7,000 Paws. And guys, if you go back, this Paws balance you are seeing here, this is point. What you had initially is point, not the real token. So it's now that they have finally done their calculations and converted your points to token. That's why you're seeing your final allocation. So because the allocation is small doesn't mean maybe your point was much and your allocation is small doesn't mean the value has changed. Nothing has changed, guys. So now the reason why you are getting this this thing not eligible is because there was something you supposed activity check. You didn't click on the activity check and verify it, and it has limit. It has time limit, and the limit exceeded. That's the only reason why you were not verified. So if you check that activity, let me go and show you. Let me show you. Let me click on this. Then let me go back, show you why you were not eligible. So let me go back. Okay, guys, so you see this activity check. This is the major reason why you were not eligible, not because you were not active or because you didn't do things that you're supposed to do, but because of this activity check. That's the reason why. So now, for you to be able to resolve this issue, now I'm going to drop an appeal link in the description of this video. Just you click on the link and it will take you to your browser. So let me open a new browser and paste the link so that you see how the appeal link the appeal section looks like. So let me just click on it. So this is how it looks like. So you have to fill in your details, your Telegram username here, your Telegram username. So here now, to get your user ID, just click on this link here to take you to Telegram for you to generate your user ID. Then paste it here. Then it will ask you for your Solana wallet address. Make sure you are using the exact Solana address that you used to connect on your Paws bot. Then after that, your Tone wallet address. Copy the Tone address that you used to connect to your listing. Just go to the Tone wallet, copy the address, paste it here. Then here it says, please describe the reason why you think you may have been banned. So just write simple something that maybe is an error from the bot, that the activity check section was loading and refused to verify when you tried to check it. So that you think is an error from the bot. So just type that. Then here it says your referral count. If you have, you can write it there. Then your Paws balance, you can write it there. So your Paws Paws balance is the point, not the real token allocation. So the point, amount of points you had, so you can put it there. Your W Paws balance. So if you are one of those that paid tone transaction, you should be having W Paws balance. So also check it there. So please enter 0 if known. So if you don't have known any this thing, just W Paws, just type in 0. So here now your voting badge. If you have, you can select. If you are on browse, silver or known, anyone, you can select. Were you eligible to mint Paws voucher? So if you were eligible, then you click yes. So this, after you fill in this, just click on submit, guys. Just click on submit. So now at the beginning of this video, you saw the total supply of Paws, which is 100 billion, and the circulating supply. So now for me to do my prediction, I'll be doing it based on the total circulating supply of the project. So let me just open my calculator, guys. Let me open my calculator. So let me open my calculator. So since the circulating supply of Paws is 50 billion out of the 100 billion, so if $100 million enters the project, is going to be, the price is going to be 100 million divided by 50 billion. So 100 million dollar, yeah, $100 million divide by 50 billion. 50 billion. So that will give you 0.002, guys. So if 100 million enters it, it's going to be 0.002. So currently, I don't know how powerful Paws airdrop is. And you know, Solana meme coins, people are afraid of investing money into Solana meme coins because of a lot of scam these days. So I don't know how much it's going to generate. Though Paws have proven to be serious for the few months they have been available. So they have built trust that people might actually want to invest on the project. And if people do invest in the project and it does well, like project like Dog, which listed with a market cap of 700 million and above, or even 500 million, so this will really go well. So the price will, for example, if the market cap is about 500 million, let me just use 500 million as market cap, then it will be 500 million, yes, divided by 50 billion. So 50 billion. So that will give us 0.01. That's with a market cap of 500 million. So we'll be getting 0.01. So, but let's just see what happens. But I don't see this amount of money entering into Paws. But if they have a lot of investors and a lot of things going on, the price, this 500 million in crypto space is actually nothing. You can see how Pi listed with over $14 billion. Though Pi project is way above Paws, but anything can happen in crypto space. So this is my price prediction: 0.002 or 0.01 if the market cap is 500 million. So guys, make sure you use the appeal link in under the description of this video to appeal, so that you'll be able to get your Paws back. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.